Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Gibbs and I'm back on your screen, and today I wanted to share with you all the battle of the setting spray featuring Morphe's new setting spray Morphe's new setting sprays. One is called the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Mist, and this is matte like that. And this one is the Morphe Luminous setting spray, and it's called Glow Get It. So I put each one on each side, and I'm going to do a little wear test for you, just a few hours, just to see how it performs. I'll give you more detail in the video, but first we're gonna do a tutorial featuring this here look that I have going on. Yes, your girl did a tutorial for y'all who love the tutorials and not too into the vlogs and whatnot. So I try to give for everybody. I try to give a video for everyone. So yes, this is the look. Just a little simple eye with a pop of color on the lip. I hope you guys like. Don't forget to stay tuned and see how the setting sprays perform. Just to let you know, I am an oily girl, so you'll see how it performs. All right, enough of that chitter chatter. I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye. And I have this here Ulta bag. Yes, I went into Ulta, as you've seen in the earlier clip, and I picked up two items that I wanted to try out. One is the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. Looks like this. And this is the mattifying one, and they also came out with a luminous setting spray. Yes. And while I was standing in line, well, actually when I walked towards the line, I seen the Morphe counter. Let me get this out the bag, and I seen these cute little palettes. This one says ColourPop Nude. Did I say Morphe counter? This is the ColourPop Nude Mood. Don't know too much about it, but when I saw the display, I thought it was kind of cute. And here is the cute little packaging, and these are the pretty shades, right? Real nice little neutral. It was just so pretty, and this is like something that you can wear every day. And I also seen this one is called Blush Crush. ColourPop always gets me with these palettes, and I thought this was pretty too. And I can add some pomade today. I went back with the oldie but goodie, and this is from Anastasia. It's the dip brow. I put dark brown and a little bit of Auburn. Yeah, so let me show y'all. This is how Auburn looks. It's all beat up. And that is dark brown. For some reason, I like to sit them upside down. I don't know what it does, but it don't dry them out as fast. Okay, so we're gonna go in and I'm gonna use some P. Louise. And I'm gonna do my eyes, but I want to do like a wear test for maybe just a few hours, not a long time, but just to see if it's really mattifying or if it's luminous, if it's mattifying or luminous. So we're gonna test those out, but first let's do the eyes. sprayer. So I have like 3 more steps. I wanted to spray the luminous on one side and the matte on the other, and maybe I'll use this. Yeah, I'll use this. So I'm going to shake it up. Okay, and I'm going to spray. Let's see. First of all, let's see how it comes out. It comes out really nice, and it smells really good. So I'm going to put the luminous on that side. Yeah, sorry that the camera went dark on y'all. Yeah, I put the luminous on that side, and we're gonna do the matte. And this is the matte. Okay. Woo, that came out, honey. Okay. So I'm not gonna keep it on too long, y'all, but I just wanted to demonstrate. I'm not gonna keep it on too long, but I just wanted to demonstrate how it applied, how it sprayed, and we'll see in a few hours the glow set and the matte like that. So this one is called the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray, and it's called the Glow Set. And this one is the Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist, and it's matte like that. So we shall see. So I am going to finish applying my mascara because I didn't want it to run. Alright, y'all, so I hope you guys like the look. I went with the natural eye, a natural little beat. In my opinion, I went with the natural eye and a red lip. The red lip that I used on today is from Milani, y'all, and it's called Matte Confident. I don't know what I did with the one that I just purchased. Let me see. Maybe it's in this drawer somewhere. Y'all got stuff everywhere. Oh, it is. Right here in my face. This is called Matte Kiss. Yeah, that's cute. So you can either go with Matte Confident or Matte Kiss. Love the look. It's really like an everyday look. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to church, you can wear it out to dinner, honey. All right, I'll see y'all. What's up, you guys? It's Brandy Giz, and I'm back with an update. It's been a couple of hours, and I decided to come back to you and share with you all my thoughts on the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Spray. This is the matte like that. This is the matte version. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yes. And this is the Luminous Setting Spray Glow Get It from Morphe. Now, this side I place the Luminous, and so far, although I'm oily, I'm feeling the Luminous side. It's not as oily as I thought it would be. I thought it would be a little bit, I don't know, greasy, but I'm liking this side. And I noticed when I put the Morphe Mattifying on this side, I lost my highlight, y'all. So I'm gonna try to put that back on. And yeah, so I would suggest you do your highlight after you spray it, because you'll lose all the, you know, I guess the highlight, you know. So yeah, but so far I really like it. I think that well, so far I'm really digging the mattifying one, because I am oily. So on days probably in the summertime, I'll probably spray a little bit and it will mattify me. You don't need a lot. I noticed you don't need a lot with this spray, but for now I am really leaning towards the Luminous Setting Spray. It just gives me a glow, which I am so here for. It's just so pretty, and I love the way it sprays. I'm gonna spray it for you one more time. Oh, and it has a really nice fresh smell to it. This is a 4.4 fluid ounce bottle. Let me see how much I paid for it. I did have a coupon. I always try to shop with the coupon, so it rung up for $15. It's originally $16, and you know I had purchased the palettes, and the palettes were $13.18 when I used the coupon. So yes, guys, it's late. I need to get off of here, but you know, even if you wear your hair back, the Luminous don't look so bad. I mean, I could blot a little bit, but then again, I could still get away with it. I'm loving this look, you guys. So that will complete my review. I love the way it smells also. This one is 2.8 fluid ounce, and the spray is a little bit more like in your face. So, and it's a continuous spray. Yes, and it has a different smell as opposed to the luminous one. It has a fresh smell. It smells like, in my opinion, I could be wrong, but it smells like cucumber, like a floral cucumber, if that makes sense. It might not make sense to you, but just mix the two and that's what you get, this smell right here. I like both of them, but my favorite at the moment is this one right here, and I really like it. So yeah, I'm really matte. You can see all my, I won't say imperfections, but you can see all my imperfections. So I'm gonna spray the luminous on that side. I'm about to take this makeup off anyway, y'all. But yeah, I'm really liking it, you guys. I really like it. Okay, let me get off of here. I'm rambling. I will see you in the next one. Until then, have a blessed one. Love y'all. Bye.